Oh yes, I'm here to blow your mind with a step-by-step proof that 1 equals 2. Your math teachers might faint, but stick around till the end. Because there's a twist. Let's dive in. The proof that 1 equals 2.
Prove that 1 equals 2. Step 1, let A equals B. You are going to multiply both sides by A, so you come up A squared equals AB. After that, you are going to subtract both sides by B squared. So A squared minus B squared equals AB minus B squared. After that, you can factor out, get the common factor. This is the difference of 2 squares, so A plus B. The factors are A plus B and A minus B. Get the common factor, B, and then the quantity A minus B. After that, you can divide both sides by A minus B. So you come up here, A plus B equals B. Since you have first step is A is equal to B, so you can substitute A by B. So we have B plus B equals B. So you have there B equals 2B, 2 equals 1, or 1 equals 2.
Have you seen other math fallacies like this? Drop them in the comments. Where is the wrong in the steps? And if this blew your mind or your calculator, share it with your math-loving friends. Thank you, and please subscribe.